replacing a starter on a Infiniti G. I'm gonna just say like G35, G37. I don't really know the exact year. Or I mean the exact model. Well, I really don't know the exact year either, so. I don't know the exact year or the exact model. This is what it's doing. If it still got power. It almost is crunk. That's what it's doing. Open the hood just for more light through the engine. And gonna check out and see what all I need. Definitely hot again today. Oh. Alright, there it is. Oh yeah, this looks like a piece of cake. Like a piece of cake. That's probably a 14. It's either a 12 or a 13. Disconnect this right now. Don't get to remove that battery. And oh yeah, it's gonna be easy. 14, 12, 13 maybe. And that's really it. Oof, both of these look kind of ugly. Okay. This shouldn't take me too long. Alright, so I'll take this power wire off first. I might need a short. Yeah. I don't think it's gonna be able to do it. What do I know? You only know unless you try. Well, it worked. Okay, get that out of the way. Yeah, I'm sure this is a 14 for sure. That was easy. My first time doing this starter. You know why I thought it was gonna be hard. Probably Probably one of the easiest starters I ever did. Nah, the easiest be like Toyotas or something like that. But this is pretty easy though.
Yeah, I'll get them out when we're switching around.
That was easy. Wow. Wow, that took me literal 3 minutes. I've been waiting for them to move their car and then put it back in.
So you almost done already?
Something like that, yeah.
That's good when everything comes out nice and smooth.
Right.
If you notice anything else, just let me know.
Okay.
Just text it to me, man. We can get you scheduled to come on back out. This my love fixer up a car, so
Okay.
my wife don't really care about it too much. So I'm trying to get everything working nice and smooth for the girls whenever they decide they want to drive.
Sound good to me.
You got a busy day today?
No, I don't actually. Pretty much. I just left from somewhere, but yeah, this is my last thing I do. But then yeah, other than that, that's it.
You do those gasket changes too, don't you?
For what?
If it got like an oil leak,
What gasket you talking about?
like the engine cover.
The valve cover gasket?
Yeah, valve cover gasket.
Yeah.
You do that?
Mhm.
I might have to get you scheduled because I think this car might have an oil leak coming from there.
I do see like some oil right here, so.
Yeah. If
It
you can
could
tell
be.
where it's coming from, just let me know.
Okay.
That's just my uneducated guess of where it could be at.
Okay.
Yeah, she left the keys on top of the Jeep.
Yeah, I see it.
Okay, cool. All right, man. Well, I miss you, man. I definitely be in contact. Appreciate it.
Okay. Yeah, no problem. All right, we got a new starter. He said valve cover gasket, but I'm thinking it might be like an oil pan gasket or something like that. Because I see a lot of oil on the bottom. And unless that valve cover is leaking very heavily, it ain't gonna be all the way on the bottom like that. So I'm thinking it's an oil pan or something like that leaking. I mean, valve covers definitely may be leaking too. They've never been changed, but it just ain't leaking to where it'll leave oil all the way down here. Like I said, unless it's just really bad. But I guess we'll see. What's that? That clear button supposed to be on there anyway. Right. Okay. These are easy to hand tighten as they was to remove. You know, sometimes it's good to have a little easy work like this. A lot of times we'll just be struggling. So when you can get something easy, take it and don't feel bad. Just like that. Oh, I forgot to put this piece back on. I knew I was gonna forget to do that. So I'm gonna have to take that back off. I literally knew I was gonna forget though. Let's see, is it a 12 or is it a 13? Like a 13. Yep. Let's get this installed and tighten back up. It's definitely something that's easy to forget to put back. Alright. Easiest start I ever did. Okay, I gotta stop saying that, but that was easy. For Infiniti. I expected it to be harder. Alright, so I'm gonna jack this up, lay it down, and then I'm gonna do the test, see if it works. Now let's see, does it cranks? Yep. Definitely need valve cover gaskets. Oh yeah. 100% need valve cover gaskets. Alright. We are good. I would call that good. I would call that good. Said, ain't nothing like an easy job. Till next time.